What's up YouTube? Welcome to Agrawal Bros. I am Akshat and in today's video I'm gonna tell you top 3 ways to earn money as an expert. So if you're new to my channel, I tell people how to make money online. I provide them simple, easy ways to earn money online. So you can visit my channel where I tell different kinds of stuff like how to earn money via YouTube, via Fiverr, by becoming a tutor, etc. etc. Visit my channel, and if you like our content, please subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon for instant notifications. So straight to the method. The first site that I'm gonna tell you is called Fibbler. So this is how it looks. Fibbler sounds like Fiverr. So I don't know. The makers of the sites maybe wanted to copy Fiverr, but in a different manner, I guess. So this is the site fibbler.com. You can also get the app, Fibbler app. So what is it? Get quick answers from an expert or be the expert and get paid for what you know. Now, see, it's available on App Store, it's available on Google Play. How it works, you can set your hourly rates for the type of service you provide to people. As you can see, you can say, for example, this is an example, uh, $2.5 per minute for a voice call, and sorry, for a video call, and for a voice call it's $1.3 a minute, and for chat it is $5 per message. You can see this is just an example. You need to come over to the site, set up your profile, set up your prices, and start earning right away. So this is very cool way through which you can earn good money online. Now you can see flexibility to decide how much you should earn when people contact you by chat, voice, or video. And you can see this, our community. So what kind of expert advice you can give on the site varies from doctors to lawyers to coaches to tutor, techies, trip advisors, entertainers, all other experts and advisors. So there's plenty of stuff that you can provide here. If you're expert at any one of these things, or if you're expert at something, then you can just register on this site and start earning right away. It's that simple. So you can see these, watch this. Caller, easily find the needed skills worldwide, get your answers in one click, get different opinions at ease, instantly pay for rendered services. Now, so you can instantly get paid for rendered services, and you can set your own rates. This is the cool thing about this website. So you can visit this website, it's very cool, and you can start earning right away. So this was my first method of earning easy money online by becoming an expert. Now the second method is by a site called justanswer.com. So look at this. Earn money by offering your services online. Become an expert on Just Answer and work when and where you want, doing what you do the best while helping people. So watch this. Make money doing what you love. Top experts earn $1,000 each month helping customers solve everyday issues. You can join them. So this is another great site. You can just go to the site and register yourself. Offer your services in one or more of a 175 plus categories. Too many categories to choose from. You can be expert in anything. You can be expert in, for example, consumer electronics, finance, engineering, heavy equipment, homework, medical, etc. etc. So you can just decide on what you are expert in, and then you can just register on the site and help people and earn money while helping people. So I was reading some of the reviews on this site. So here's one review. So what do I need to join? Just answer. A resume or CV, information providing your level of experience, your ID, driver license, recent photo, information providing your level of experience, including employer's name and phone number. So you can, just go on, register on the site and start earning right away. Now, if in case you're wondering, and by the way, this site has got positive reviews from uh, good sites, so you can see Glassdoor has given it 4.2 rating out of 119 reviews, and you know you can see SiteJabber has given it 4.6 from 1597 reviews. So this is a pretty good site. Some people complain about this site, but in online earning world there is no one sure thing. You need to try your hand at different things and see what works for you. Maybe one thing that is bad for another person, or circumstances were such that it didn't work for him at that point of time, which led him to form a bad opinion about that site. Sometimes things like that happen. Sometimes we uh, do try our hand at one particular thing and have a bad experience, and that leads us to have a bad review about that particular thing, a bad experience regarding that thing. So you need to, when you're starting to earn money online, then you need to try different things and see what works for you. So this site has got positive rating. There are some negative reviews also, but you can just join the site and see if it works for you. If it resonates with you, then it's fine. Then you can just go on and start earning money right away. Now, in case you're wondering, uh, hey, I do not have qualifications, I cannot provide level of experience or professional license or something like that, then I have something for you. So I will recommend to you one very very cool site which you can try. So this site is called Skillshare, skillshare.com. So this is the site. You can see it's a great way to earn money, build your online following, and give back. Top teachers make $1 million. No, not 1 million, $0.1 million a year. So that's pretty cool. Very 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 cool stuff. So that much you can earn per year, and you can see from our teachers, earn money. Teaching on Skillshare provides a passive income stream, and that's the holy grail for someone in my shoes. Launch your career, give back. This is very cool site. You can check this site, and let's come over here. Okay, how can I earn money? You'll earn money through monthly royalties based on the amount of minutes watched in your classes, plus a referral bonus for every student you refer to the Skillshare Premium membership. And you know, what should I teach? Yeah, this is very important. Skillshare classes are for creators and fall into a variety of topics, including illustrations, designs, marketing, photography, web design, entrepreneurship, and more. So, and the most important thing, who can teach on Skillshare? And the answer is anyone. Anyone can teach a class as long as your class adheres to our class guidelines. It can be published on Skillshare. There is no cost to publishing a class. So that's your number one way to earn money online, even if you do not have any credentials, even if you do not have any fancy degree or something. You can just log into the site, you can make your profile and start earning right away. So this is very very cool stuff. You can become an expert in something, give video tutorials to people, and start earning through this site. So these were my top sites: Fibula, Just Answer, and Skillshare. So if you liked my video, then please hit the like button and also comment on this video. And you can also subscribe to my channel for different types of money making opportunities online. I regularly post videos on how to make money online, and all of my methods are mostly my methods are free, or if they are paid, then uh, you do not pay that much. Your return on investment is much better than uh, other earning opportunities online that other people teach. So you can just visit my channel and subscribe to my channel. Also, press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you so much.